Ready?
Yeah!
Yay! I've got some yummy cereal. Here you go.
Wait, I need something. Cold. Cold. I need something, Mommy.
What do you need?
My tray.
Your tray? Okay, here's your tray. Go ahead, eat.
It's cold.
What?
It's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
That's okay. You can eat it cold.
Mommy. Oh. It's stuck. It's cold. It's stuck. The spoon is stuck.
Why is the spoon stuck? Go ahead. It's cereal.
It's stuck. Stuck.
Is the spoon stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, is it cold? Oh. What happened to your cereal? April Fools! Can you say April Fools?
No.
Simone, can you say April Fools?
April Fool.
Your cereal's frozen. Ah, 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 ah. Silly. You want real cereal?
Yeah.
Okay.